Suffered on the concrete in St. Louis last year. Didn't go through mini camps or OTA for the first time in his career. So I really feel refreshed. He looks like the punt is blocked. And the big man doesn't know where it is. Finally slapped out of bounds.
Chris Gragg, hey, number 89 blocked the punt. That's kind of cool.
Pat McAfee just slaps it out of the back of the end zone.
Well, you'll see it's coming right up the middle, and he does a great job just getting in low, just sticking his arm out, gets like nobody knows where it is. McAfee gets it. And that's the smart thing for the punter to do. If you can't get it, just knock it out. It's only 2 points. Great job by Gragg. Missed him